Hello everyone in year 2. I hope you're all keeping well and staying safe at home. Last week I asked you to have a go at making your very own homemade musical instruments using glasses of water to make different notes. In a second we're going to go straight into that video again and have a bit of a recap of how we made those instruments, just in case you've thrown the water away since last week. And then what I want you to do this week is have another look at parts of that video, make your instrument again, and then create your own musical performance and send me a video of your playing. It doesn't have to be very long, just a short pattern of notes or something that sounds really nice. So here are some clips from last week's video to help you set up your instrument if you need to again. And then you can create your performances, and don't forget to send me those videos. Right, I hope you have fun with that everyone. Do take care. Bye! Last week we had a look at how to make your very own homemade set of glass notes. I played the chime bars so that you could choose which notes you wanted to try and find for your glasses. You then had to experiment by pouring in the water to the glass and trying to find one of those notes, and sometimes you'd have to add more water or maybe take some out with a spoon, and it took quite a bit of time to find each of those notes and get it right. So you do need to spend some time fine-tuning that. And then once you have chosen which note you want to try and get in your glass and you've managed to add the right level of water, you can then add some numbers on the front of the glass. Just stick on a bit of paper with a bit of damp water on the back, and then you've got numbered glasses and numbered notes, so you can then write down your patterns with those. And also you can add some juice if you want to make it nice and colourful. And don't forget, if you add the juice to make it nice and colourful, that is adding extra liquid, so you do need to allow for that, and maybe take some out afterwards with a spoon. Here are some of the patterns we looked at last week. I played for you hot cross buns and Mary had a little lamb, and then I challenged you to create your own pattern. This week I would like you to have another go at making a pattern all by yourself, and this time I would like you to create a video of it. So just make a video of your playing and send it in to me at school so I can see all the fantastic work that you've been doing. Okay, have fun everyone, take care.